Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make your AirPods sound better. There's a really cool feature that will help customize the sound to your preference, and a lot of people don't know about it because it's so hidden. So if you go into accessibility and then you go down to AirPods, and then in AirPods, click on audio accessibility settings and then headphone accommodations, and then you can click on custom audio setup. And what this will do is, as you can see, it's headphone audio customization. It'll customize it to your liking. So if I do this, I have to put my AirPods in, and then it'll give you example audios, and it'll tell you to click one or the other based on which one sounds better. So this first one is just, can you hear someone speaking? And then this is the comparison. It's like, which one sounds better to you? And though there's a few you have to run through, and they say as if both sound about the same to just do the first one. And then you can compare the standard versus the custom. And this next thing, once you're done, you can customize the transparency mode to adjust how amplified your voice sounds and a lot of other things. So that's really cool. So now that this is set up, you can change some other things too. Like for vocal range here, I can change that to strong, moderate, or slight. So if you want to hear more vocals, turn that to strong. And you can also choose if you want to apply this to phone calls or if you just want to apply it to media. Or vice versa. I use this feature all the time. I think it's really great. I'm not sure why it's hidden, but it definitely does improve the sound quality. So if you are a little disappointed by the sound quality, or you just want to customize things a little bit, it's definitely worth giving a shot. You can always just turn it off if you don't like it. So anyways, let me know if this helped you. Let me know if it improved your sound quality at all. And anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.